Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max and we're going to show you how the camera works. So first of all, you have three different cameras actually on this phone, and you can switch between the three lenses. So as you can see, there's basically ultra wide, wide, and then telephoto, and that's basically half magnification, 1x magnification, and 2x magnification. So another feature is that if you now hold down the camera button, it starts recording a video, and when you let your finger off, it stops recording a video. Like all the recent Plus and 10 and 10s models, this has dual cameras. So you basically get portrait mode, which can use the two cameras, in this case 3 cameras, to do some fancy features like fuzzy backgrounds in the bokeh mode, etc. You can also choose between the 3 cameras for the other modes, including panorama, and then also video, obviously, and slow motion and time-lapse. So one thing that's interesting is when you're switching between those, if you are in slow motion mode, you can't actually switch once it starts recording, but in all the other ones you actually can. So that's a little bit different. Otherwise, it's basically the same as I said, a Plus or a 10 or 10s model. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Definitely check out other iPhone 11 Pro Max videos here on Howtechs. Bye. Card is here on the bottom right, and there's also a very small notch here on the bottom right as well. You guys can see that. There's also